Hey, let me ask you whether you've ever had this experience before. You're in a conversation with someone, and for some reason, your response to them is one of frustration or anger, or you're short with them, and they get mad at you, and you walk away from the conversation saying, what in the world's going on with me? Would you like some tips on how to deal with this? Hi, everybody. I'm Frank Spector. Yes, I am a medical malpractice lawyer, and you know me from my medical malpractice posts, but I've created a playlist which I've posted below. And in that playlist are videos on how we can make our communications more healthy. I've spent so much time myself trying to improve my communications. I've learned so many tips along the way that I wanted to share those tips with you. So in a situation where you find yourself frustrated or angry or short with someone, the first thing that I recommend is do a check-in with yourself. And here's a tip and a tool that I learned, and I hope you find it valuable. And that tip is called HALT. H-A-L-T. What's that stand for? The H stands for hungry, the A stands for angry, the L stands for lonely, the T stands for tired. Sometimes if we're in any one of these states, we may not be in great control of our emotions, and that's why we're acting frustrated or angry or short with the person we're talking to. So if we recognize that it could be one of those four things, that may give us some clarity as to what's going on with us. Hungry is pretty obvious. But if we're angry, if we have something that happened in the course of our day and we're angry, not at the person that we're talking to, just angry with something else, we may transfer that anger onto that other person. That's not fair to do to them because they weren't the source of your anger in the first place. We could also be lonely. Look, we're living in a world today where many people are working from home. We're isolated. We're not interacting with each other. We may be in a small apartment on a computer hour after hour after hour without really any human interaction. And we feel a sense of loneliness. And that loneliness may put us in an emotional state where we're not really equipped to deal in a conversation when we're in that state. And maybe we're tired. We've had a long day. We're depleted. We've had a lot going on. And again, we're not in the right frame of mind to have a conversation with someone. So the next time you find yourself getting ready to have a conversation with someone and there's something that's off with you, think to yourself, am I hungry? Am I angry? Am I lonely? Am I tired? And if I'm in any one of these states, it may not be the right time to have that conversation. Take care of yourself first. Make sure you're emotionally equipped so that you can have the healthy conversations that you want. So thanks again for watching this video. I would really like to hear your comments below on what you think about this tool, whether you've used it yourself, and what the results have been. If you leave the comments below, I'll be sure to respond to you. Thanks again for watching this video, and I hope to see you again soon.